What's up guys, Chaz here. If you're new to my channel, I basically teach photography tips to help better your photography. Today, I'm going to teach you how to shoot at night. I'm going to go over a few techniques that I use to take night photos so you can do the same. Stay tuned. Alright, so the first thing I suggest is that you go up and bump your ISO. Normally I like to stick anywhere from 800, maybe 1000. It depends on your camera's capability and what it'll allow you to do. So you want to make sure that you don't have the ISO too high to reduce the grain in your final image. The next step is to make sure that you have a good light source. This can be anything from neon lights, store lights, or maybe a flashlight. Maybe you want to get creative, just as long as the model is well lit. You also want to make sure that you have your shutter speed lower. The shutter speed being lower will provide you with a longer exposure. A longer exposure brings in more light, therefore it'll bring you more light on your subject. And while you have a long exposure, you want to make sure that your model is typically standing still. This will result in a sharper image. If the model's moving around too much, it may cause your image to be a little bit blurry, and that may not be the final product you want. When you're out shooting, I suggest playing around with the ISO, the shutter speed, the exposure, all these things take into account what area you're in and how much light is, and this will also help you get the photo that you want. So make sure you're experimenting with those settings. Alright, so those are the helpful tips that I have for shooting photography at night. I'll be shooting a video here in the next few weeks, so keep an eye on that, and it'll be how to edit those shots so you can bring them to life. Alright, thanks for watching.